Good morning, students. Our next problem is, let L be the line 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. The axes are rotated by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. Then the intercepts made by the line L on new axes are respectively. They given options 1 comma root 2, root 2 comma 1. This means 1 is x intercept, root 2 is y intercept. Like that, they given 4 options. So they given the line 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is denoted with the capital L, and this 45 degrees angle rotated by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means we have to consider theta is equal to minus 45 degrees. Okay. Now after rotating minus 45 degrees, so now this line changes to some other line. Okay. So after getting that line, we have to find out the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. See here, theta is equal to minus 45 degrees, and take the table capital XY, small xy, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So now this in this equation, small x comma y will be replaced by this x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, so this is nothing but x into cos of minus 45 degrees minus y into sin of minus 45 degrees. Actually, you just remember one formula here. Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So after trigonometry, we can understand these two formulas. So until you remember these two formulas here. So that means cos of minus theta, here theta is 45 degrees. Cos of minus theta means cos theta only. So we get x cos 45 degrees. Here sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So minus into minus plus. So y into sin 45 degrees. So cos 45 degrees, sin 45 degrees both are equal to 1 by root 2 only. So this is x into 1 by root 2, that means x by root 2, plus y into 1 by root 2, that gives y by root 2. So if you take 1 by root 2 common, you have x plus y. So small x is equal to 1 by root 2 into x plus y. And the small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So according to this table. So this is equal to x into sin of minus 45 degrees plus y into cos of minus 45 degrees. This is equal to sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So minus x into sin 45 degrees plus y into cos 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees again 1 by root 2. So minus x by root 2 plus y into cos 45 degrees means again 1 by root 2 only. So that is plus y by root 2. So if you take 1 by root 2 common, then we have minus x plus y. Now replace this x comma y by this 1 by root 2 comma x plus y and 1 by root 2 comma minus x plus y in the given equation 2x plus y minus 2. That is a transformed equation when rotated, and the axes are rotated by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. So okay, so to get that equation, transformed equation of given equation is nothing but 2 into 1 by root 2 into x plus y plus 1 by root 2 into minus x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. If you replace small x comma y by these two. Okay, so if you simplify, so here root 2 is the LCM. Okay, so root 2 is LCM, but in the third term there is no root 2. So this root 2 multiply to this 2. So and you write all numerators as easily. So 2 into x plus y, that is 2x plus 2y, plus 1 into minus x plus 1 into y minus 2 root 2, because root 2 is the LCM here. So that root 2 transpose to right side, that becomes to 0 only. So totally we have 2x plus 2y minus x plus y minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So simplify 2x minus x, that is x, 2y plus y, 3y minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So already I told you, to get x-intercept, take y is equal to 0 in the given in this equation, and to get the y-intercept, take x is equal to 0. That gives the x y-intercept. Okay, so here first you find out x-intercept. So take y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means this term becomes to 0. So we have x is equal to 2 root 2. Transpose that side, you get that is 2 root 2. So that means x-intercept is equal to 2 root 2. So to find y-intercept, take x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, this is 0 plus 3y minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 3y is equal to 2 root 2, or y is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. That means y-intercept is nothing but 2 root 2 by 3. So is there options x-intercept is 2 root 2 and y-intercept is 2 root 2 by 3. Yes. So 2 root 2, 2 root 2 by 3. That is third option. Okay. Now next question is, a point 2 comma 2 undergoes reflection in the x-axis and then the coordinate axis rotated through an angle 5 by 4 in anti-clockwise direction. Then final position of the point in the new coordinate system is. So here question they given as, first he is asking to finding a point 2 comma 2 undergoes reflection in the x-axis. Reflection in the x-axis means already I gave some formulas based on reflection in coordinate system in previous topic. So reflection about x-axis with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, with respect to x is equal to y, with respect to minus x is equal to y, and with respect to origin I gave some formulas. So if you again if you refer that one, you get the answer. So a point 2 comma 2 undergoes reflection in the axis, in the x-axis they given. That means he is asking to first what is the reflection of 2 comma 2 with respect to x-axis. With respect to x-axis is nothing but 2 comma minus 2. Okay. After that, then the axis rotated through an angle 5 by 4 in anti-clockwise direction. Then final position of the point in the new coordinate system. That means after 2 comma 2 the change to 2 comma minus 2. Now he is asking to find out the new position, that means new coordinates of that 2 comma minus 2 after rotating the axis about 5 by 4 in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, that means if you observe the given question, so they given some options. So reflection of 2 comma 2 with respect to x-axis 2 comma minus 2. So already I give formulas. So once we refer a coordinate system. And if you take the, now he is asking to find out the new positions, and that means here if you consider this is a small x comma y. Okay, now he is asking to find out capital X comma y about this point. Okay, so now, so according to table xy cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, this is small x comma y. Theta is equal to 45 degrees and small x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Now he is asking to find out capital X comma y. It means the point in the new coordinate system. New coordinate system means capital X comma y. So capital X is equal to what? X cos theta plus y sin theta. Okay, that is equal to 2 into sin 40, 2 into this is cos 45 degrees plus minus 2 into, because of y is equal to minus 2 into sin 45 degrees. This is cos 45 degrees means 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2 minus sin 45 degrees means 1 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 0. Next, to get a capital Y, that means y coordinate. So capital Y is nothing but minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So that means minus x sin theta means x is equal to 2. So minus 2 into sin 45 degrees plus y means minus 2, cos theta means cos 45 degrees. So this is minus 2 into sin 45 means 1 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2 minus plus into minus minus cos 45 degrees means 1 by root 2 only again. That is 2 by root 2. Okay. So that means minus 2 by root 2. Actually here, so 2 by root 2 we can write as 2 you can write as root 2 whole square by root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled. So in numerator we have one more root 2. Okay, so this is minus root 2, this is also minus root 2, minus root 2 minus root 2, that means minus x minus 2x. So in the place of x here root 2 is there, so this is equal to minus 2 root 2. So x coordinate is equal to 0, y coordinate is nothing but minus 2 root 2. So is there any option? Yes, 0 comma minus 2 root 2, that is second option. Next question. The acute angle theta through which the coordinate axis should be rotated for the point a2 comma 4 to attain the new abscissa of 4 is given by. That means if you use the given condition, you may get one of these options. That means he is asking to option is in terms of tan theta. That means we have to go to find in that way only, in terms of trigonometric function with the tan theta. Okay, so by using given conditions. So that means the acute angle theta through which the coordinate axis should be rotated for the point a2 comma 4. That means original point a2 comma 4 is there. To attain the new axis of 4, this a2 comma 4, if you rotate the axis about theta, this a2 comma 4 changes to some 4 comma something. That means abscissa are they given in the new coordinate axis. This a2 comma 4 changes to 4 comma abscissa means x coordinate, y coordinate we don't know. Okay, so this is the relation they given. That means capital X they given and small x comma y they given, and theta is equal theta they given. So we have to use these conditions to find out tan theta, because of they given all options in terms of tan theta. So given small x comma y is equal to 2 comma 4 and capital X is equal to 4. So now take the table xy cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So now we have the relation. We can find the relation between capital X and capital X with small x comma y. Because of capital X we know. Okay, we don't know capital Y. So take the condition capital X is equal to, what can you take, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Use this condition. Okay, so that means a capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta means capital X is equal to 4 plus small x is equal to 2, small y is equal to 4. That means 2 cos theta plus 4 sin theta. So to get the tan theta, here cos theta is there, here sin theta is there. To get tan theta, if you entire equation divide with cos theta, this becomes to sin by cos is equal to tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta get cancelled. This is 4 by cos theta, that gives 4 secant theta. Okay, now we have the relation between secant theta and tan theta. If you squaring on both sides, you get that relation. So first you do divide by cos theta. That means 4 by cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta by cos theta plus 4 into sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled. 1 by cos theta means secant theta. So 4 secant theta is equal to 2 plus 4 sin by cos means tan theta. So squaring on both sides, we get a 4 square, that is 16 square secant square theta is equal to a plus b whole square. A square means 4, b square means 16 tan square theta plus 2ab, 2 into 2, 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 tan theta. Now if you secant square theta convert in terms of tan theta, because we want in terms of tan theta, because the given options are tan theta only. Okay, so secant square theta we can write as 1 plus tan square theta. This is one of the identity in trigonometry, we know everybody. Okay, so 1 plus tan square theta. So 16 into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 4 plus 16 tan square theta plus 16 tan theta. So this is nothing but 16 into 1 16 plus 16 into tan square theta, 16 tan square theta is equal to, same you write these three terms as it is. Now this 16 tan square theta, 16 tan square theta get cancelled. Now we have 16 tan theta, we have 16 tan theta is equal to this 4 transpose this side, 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. So 16 tan theta is equal to 12 means tan theta is equal to 12 by 16, that is equal to 3 by 4. Is there any option? Yes. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, that is the first option here. Next question. The line